For lesson number 3, we're going to go over facial expressions and how to apply them on basic characters. If you can apply them on basic characters, you can apply them on any character. So let's get started.
All right, lesson number 3, facial expressions. I find an easy way to do facial expressions is to use, as weird as it sounds, little vegetable characters or any kind of characters that's like marshmallows or things like that. Because with characters that are simple, if you can't make a tomato look unhappy, you're gonna have a hard time making like another bigger complex character look happy, right? So I like to just take it down to just like this. So this little tomato guy is kind of like, or he can be an orange, right? He's not doing too good there. Right, and we have let's take the eraser to do. Oh, I'm just kind of happy here. There we go. Gotta arch the eyebrows. Someone shows that happiness. You can even flush his cheeks a bit. So there's that little guy. This character's really angry, right? Want to kind of downturn the head and furrow the brows. Kind of like the guy above, but he's unhappy. You can change that expression to just more kind of grumpy. Is here, or making characters look tired, right? Right, and sleepy. All right, so that's facial. That's a quick little thing on facial expression. Just get out your little cute veggie guys or little mushroom guys. Angry little mushroom guys. Give them little expressions. And just practice that. Just doing your circles, hash marks, and then just creating expressions, right? And that's end of lesson number 3.